I love to wake up in the morning, but keep dreaming without wording. The day is gone, and sometimes I take a walk, then I forget.